Well, welcome back, you guys. What we got on the mill today is a poplar log. It's, I think, 9 foot long. Let me set a measurement here. 9 foot and 3 inches. And it's about 8 inches, 8.5 inches on this end. And it's about 9.5 on this end. All right, we got it raised up just about an inch off the bunk so we can center the pith. And what we're going to do is make I got 3 of these poplar logs. I'm either going to make stickers out of this or 3x3 runners to lay on the ground to stack wood on. It just when I get it squared up a little bit what I got left to deal with. But let's go ahead and get started, and we'll get it milled up. Trying not to hit my GoPro there. I had to stop and make sure it was going to clear. I think I need to scoot it over a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and roll it. The reason I turn mine on 90 is if I lift it to level the pith out, if I flip it all the way 160 or 180, I got to let the roller down, and then I got to lift it back up and try to reset it back. So if I set it right here and put it on a 90, I can do my 2 cuts and let it down and be done with it. Well, I gotta make sure I'm plumb now because I moved the wrong one. That's a blooper. Yep, we're still good. Trying to take little as I can. Alright, now I can roll it all the way over. Let the roller down, and that's the end of it. That way I don't forget the roller. That's telling me to keep cutting this way when I go to cut. If I cut this on the side, it's going to flip to the side and bow. Well, that's the way I look at it anyway. Somebody else might look at it differently. I think I'll flip this by hand. It's easier sometimes. Stress, not much. More of it this way. All right, we'll back up here and see what we got. Poplar usually has a lot of stress. I don't know about anybody else. Poplar is the worst thing I can cut. Flip these over, I'll do it by hand. Well, we thank y'all watching the videos. These are just going to be runners on the ground just to stack lumber on. I set these on top of cinder blocks just to keep the wood from touching the cinder blocks. So they don't have to be perfect, but I think they all ended up pretty close. No matter which way I flip them, they're level. So, yep. I'll cut them at 43 inches and be done with that. I got 2 more to do. I'll decide whether I want to do the same thing or make stickers out of these. Once I get them up there, I'll measure them out. I'll make the first couple cuts just to see if they're going to bow with me. If they bow too much, I don't use them for stickers. If they don't bow that much, I'll go ahead and use them for stickers and put weight on it, and it'll straighten them back out when they dry. Like I said, we thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos, and I'll get some more videos going for y'all. Y'all have a great day, and we thank and appreciate it. And if you like the videos, hit that subscribe button, and we'd appreciate if you hit that like button. You have a good day.